The gases produced in the digestive tract are a natural part of the digestion process in the human body. Many people are afraid of sudden wind coming out, especially when there are people around. This is because the release of uncontrolled gases from the individual is a big embarrassment that might get people to make fun of him. But if you have a real problem with gases in your stomach, it's really no joke. The accumulation of large amounts of gas in your stomach usually results from many reasons. Maybe you're not chewing your food very well, or maybe you're used to eating fast. And this problem may occur if you eat spicy food as well. This problem can be easily addressed with some simple home remedies. In this video, we will present you the most important natural remedies that will help you get rid of rancid gas buildup. 1. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is considered a sedative for the stomach and also prevents the formation of more gas in the stomach. You can have a cup of boiled cinnamon, or you can mix half a tablespoon of cinnamon powder with a glass of warm milk. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps greatly in the abdominal gas problem. It calms the stomach and gives you an immediate relief. Mix 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of warm water. 3. Ginger. Ginger is an excellent treatment for indigestion and is also great for reducing intestinal gas and abdominal bloating. You can also eat honey-soaked ginger or simply chew fresh ginger regularly after meals. 4. Soda and lemon bicarbonate. One very common home remedy for stomach gas is the use of baking soda with lemon. When soda and lemon are combined, an effective antacid mixture forms. All you need to do is mix fresh lemon juice with a glass of soda bicarbonate. This mixture will result in reaction and bubbles. But first, make sure that the carbonate is completely dissolved in water. Take this mixture on an empty stomach if you want to get rid of the stomach gas immediately. 5. Garlic. Garlic helps stimulate gastric juices, which will help you get rid of the accumulation of gases in the abdomen. Make garlic soup and eat it. This will help you digest properly. Always try to use fresh garlic for the best results. 6. Mint. You can use peppermint in different ways to help you treat the gas problems. For example, you can prepare useful peppermint tea by adding mint leaves to a glass of boiling water. The way is very simple. Let the tea soak for a few minutes, then drain and add some honey. Another way to take advantage of mint is to put 2 drops of peppermint oil in half a cup of cold water. Take it once or twice a day. You can also chew mint leaves if you're looking for an instant comfort. 7. Cardamom. It is a very common kitchen spice that can improve digestion and give you an immediate relief from stomach gas. Add a little cardamom powder to vegetables or rice or lentils to prevent gas formation in the abdomen. You can also chew whole cardamom pills several times a day to reduce gas buildup in the stomach. In the end, if you experience heavy gas buildup in the stomach, try one of these natural home remedies. That will work great, and you will definitely get rid of this problem immediately. Thank you for watching the video, and if you appreciate our hard work, we do invite you to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And we promise to keep digging up more interesting facts for you. Stay healthy.